Hey, amazing teachers. Today, let's talk about one of the simplest yet most powerful tools you can use to boost student comprehension, a cause and effect chart. Whether you're working with a rich story, a nonfiction text, or even an engaging class discussion, this one tool helps students make deeper connections without overwhelming them. Think about it. When students can clearly see how one event leads to another, they're not just memorizing details, they're truly understanding the language in context. And the best part, this is quick to set up and super effective for both beginners and advanced learners. Here's how you can put this into action right away. Grab a short, engaging, advanced CI text. Maybe a compelling news story, a cultural anecdote, or even a past class story. Give students a simple cause and effect chart with two columns. As they read or listen, have them fill in the first column with major events, in the target language, of course, and then use the second column to explain what those events led to. For example, if a story mentions el personaje se quedó sin dinero, a character um, was without money, students might write in the effect column, tuvo que buscar trabajo en otro país. They had to look for a job in another country. This encourages critical thinking, deeper engagement, and real world language processing. Want to take it even further? Try a predict and effect challenge. Read half the story and then ask students to predict what might happen next using the organizer. This gets them actively using the language while reinforcing comprehension at a deeper level. Small shifts like this make a huge impact on proficiency. And if you want to know exactly where your students or even you stand with CI, check out our CI proficiency quiz at mm.us/CI quiz. It's a great way to see where you're at and where you can grow.